Hello, Auto Tech with the Abrish family. Today, we're comparing two trending electric SUVs, the BYD Sealion 7 and the Tesla Model Y. We'll look at real numbers and real capabilities so you can understand which one fits your needs best. That's right, we'll talk about range, power, charging, performance, space, and tech. Let's start with the BYD Sealion 7. Part 1. BYD Sealion 7. The BYD Sealion 7 is a pure electric midsize SUV from BYD's Ocean family, designed for performance and everyday usability. It uses BYD's LFP Blade battery, known for safety and longevity. There are three main versions: Comfort, single-motor rear-wheel drive with around 230 kilowatt power; Design AWD, all-wheel drive with 390 kilowatts; and Excellence AWD, also 390 kilowatts, the most powerful setup. Acceleration for the AWD models is brisk. Both AWD Design and Excellence can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 4.5 seconds, with a top speed around 215 kilometers per hour. Battery capacity varies. The Comfort RWD and Design AWD use an 82.5 kilowatt-hour pack, while the Excellence AWD uses a 91.3 kilowatt-hour pack. Official WLTP range figures are Comfort RWD 482 kilometers, Design AWD 456 kilometers, Excellence AWD 502 kilometers. Charging capabilities are strong. DC fast charging is up to 150 kilowatts on most trims and up to 230 kilowatts on top trims, taking the battery from 10% to 80% in about 24 minutes. AC home charging supports up to 11 kilowatts. Inside, the Sealion 7 is spacious, seating 5 adults. Cargo space with the rear seats up is 520 liters, and with seats down, it expands to 1,789 liters. The interior is premium, featuring a 15.6-inch rotating screen, multiple driver assist features, heat pump climate control, and V2L, vehicle-to-load capability, meaning the battery can power external devices. In summary, the BYD Sealion 7 packs strong performance, over 450 kilometers of test cycle range, flexible charging, and a premium interior, making it a strong competitor in the electric SUV class. Part 2. Tesla Model Y. Now let's look at the Tesla Model Y, one of the most popular electric SUVs worldwide, known for efficiency, charging network support, and software features. For the Tesla Model Y long-range AWD, the official WLTP range is up to 600 kilometers. Acceleration for the long-range AWD version is approximately 4.8 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Tesla also offers rear-wheel drive and performance variants with slightly different range and performance specs. Tesla's fast charging capability is up to 250 kilowatts, allowing you to add hundreds of kilometers of range in just 15 to 20 minutes at supercharger stations. Inside, the Model Y has a 15.4-inch central touchscreen, minimalist interior, over-the-air software updates, and 5-seat capacity. Cargo space is generous, with over 2,100 liters available with the seats folded. Tesla's supercharger network is a major advantage, providing fast and reliable long-distance travel for owners. The Model Y is also highly efficient, giving more range per kilowatt due to its aerodynamic design and energy management. So, with the Model Y, you get an efficient SUV with excellent range, fast charging, advanced software, and a large charging network. To summarize, the BYD Sealion 7 offers strong performance, flexible charging, and a premium interior. The Tesla Model Y leads in efficiency, charging speed, and range, backed by a wide charging network and refined software. Both are excellent electric SUVs. Your choice depends on whether you value premium features and comfort or range efficiency and charging convenience. Let us know in the comments which one is your pick, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more content from Auto Tech with Abrish.